What's up guys, and welcome back to another plumbing tricks compilation. So if ever you go to the washroom and for whatever reason there's no water to flush the toilet, use this simple trick to get out of trouble. Grab a bucket of water and pour it in the bowl. It'll flush the toilet just as it normally would. If you're going on a job site, you'll need a bucket to carry your tools, and here's one of my favorite tricks. Cut 2 V-notches on the bucket. This will allow you to cut any type of pipe super easily, and plus, it serves as a toolbox. If you have a veggie sprayer like this, it most probably gets tangled up on the pipes when trying to use it. If that's the case, get some pipe insulation and put it over the pipes in the cabinet. It'll make the pipes less catchy and fix the problem. If your copper pipes are making this sound, here's a neat one. Get some felt pads like these. They're super cheap and will fix the problem. Remove the noisy clip holding the pipe down. Stick the felt to the pipe as such and reinstall the clip. The pipe will ride on the felt and won't make any more noise. When installing compression stop valves like this, 2 adjustable wrenches are required. If for whatever reason you can't find one of them, instead of using a pair of adjustable pliers like this and ruining the chrome finish, use a steel punch or anything that'll provide you with enough leverage and tighten. Simple. These PEX cutters could sometimes be a pain to get opened. Here's a neat trick that'll save you that extra time. Cut about 1 inch off the tip of the handle like this. This will allow you to flick it open with your finger instead of having to use your other hand to open it, making you that much quicker. If you're renovating a bathroom, inevitably, you'll be removing your toilet and you'll be left with this mess. You could use your hands and a plastic putty knife to remove the old wax ring, but there's a much cooler way of doing it. Grab a heat gun and heat it up. It'll melt and make it a lot easier to remove and give you a much cleaner result. If you're trying to make a PEX connection in your house to add a T on an existing line and can't seem to fit your crimpers between the joists, get yourself a pocket crimping tool. This tool allows for you to crimp in tight spots like this one without a hassle. Your toilet is blocked and you don't have a plunger on hand. Here's a few options to help you unclog it. Get some dishwashing soap, pour a tablespoon in the bowl with some hot water and let it sit for 30 minutes. It should soften it up. If that doesn't work, try pouring 2 parts vinegar to 1 part baking soda. It'll create a reaction and could just get it unblocked. And lastly, if you have to cut a copper line to install a branch, for example, and there's no space for a pipe cutter or saw, get an oscillating tool and use a fine blade to cut through it. It makes the job a whole lot easier. Subscribe to the channel if you learned something and give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. And once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.